wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best travel chess sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Hey Play inlaid walnut style is characterized by handsome wooden pieces with a hefty feel to them. Because they're stored in handy drawers beneath the board, there's no annoying uneven bump in the middle as with some folding models. It comes with helpful instructions and is a staunton style choice, however the drawers can be hard to open. At number 9, handcrafted in Poland from gorgeous natural wood, the compact wegiel Royal European allows you to take this challenging game on the road. When you're done capturing rooks and taking pawns off the board, everything stores away neatly. It features rich, vibrant colors and an easy-to-operate clasp. The pieces have a light magnetic hold. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Tiny, shiny, and designed to not slip around, the Yellow Mountain Imports Mini is great for playing on vacation or in a moving vehicle. In exchange for the low price, the magnets can fall off the plastic pieces easily, but that's nothing a little glue can't fix. The board is about 6 inches square and it's detailed for its size. However, you can't turn the rooks upside down. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for travel chess sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, when there's no table available, open the chess bazaar pocket on the car seat or on your lap. A fine wooden version of a tiny magnetic set. It has sturdy pieces that fit into molded hollows on the inside of the folding board when it's time to pack up. It fits easily in a backpack and is not too expensive, but the felt bottoms are not well attached. Moving up our list to number 6. If you want an option with algebraic notation but have places to be, try the WE Games Vinyl, which fits conveniently into a plastic tube with an attached shoulder strap. The pieces are the right proportions to practice with for competitive matches. It sports a classic black and white color scheme and is a tournament-style design. However, there are no promotion queens. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you're going somewhere that has a solid tabletop to play on, the Chess Armory 15-inch wooden is a relatively inexpensive full-sized board with a strap storage system, making it portable. The pieces look solid yet aren't heavy, which could be either a pro or a con for you. It's a good size for kids to use, but it is slightly misaligned at the center fold. It's compact but not magnetized. At number 4, for those who want a medium-sized game to take on the road, the kidami folding set may be just right. The plastic pieces have a detailed wood grain texture, so they're lightweight without looking cheap, and they feel smooth in the hand for a pleasant tactile experience. It includes storage pouches for the pieces, and it folds into a lockable case. However, the magnets could be stronger. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. For the design-conscious, the Pendleton roll-up may be well worth the moderately high price. The canvas board evokes a rustic but luxurious feel, thanks to its classic Pendleton pattern. When you're done playing, you can store the pieces in the handy vegan leather pouch. It can also be used for checkers and includes simple but effective straps. The pouch snaps on for security. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for travel chess sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, this quadpro foldable is the very essence of sleek simplicity, with flocked bottom pieces that are neither loud nor wobbly. The integrated feet ensure that the board sits flat when open, so you won't suffer any movement there either. It includes a drawstring storage bag and a money-back quality guarantee. It's good value for the price. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the House of Staunton book has strong magnets that can handle all the rigors your journeys will throw at it. The board itself is in the interior once closed rather than on the outside, as with most others, which means it will suffer less damage from any trip. The king stands 1 inch tall and it's a shisham and maple construction with a secure brass clasp. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for travel chess sets, or simply click beneath this video.